So Dad already put the inner fenders in while I wasn't here. Didn't get any footage of that. Sorry about that, guys. But I am going to go ahead and put the jack and jack mount back in here and anything else that needs to be put back in place. So let's rock and roll. Surprisingly, these holes line up really well. And these inner fenders are actually really good quality. They fit really great. So I'm pretty pleased with these, and I bought these off of Fleabag. Jack. All right, easy peasy. Now on this side, I had strategically drilled holes in the old inner fender to mount this nice and level with a factory look. So I'll have to re-drill those and we should be good to go. So here we go. Kind of want it. Nice. Perfect. You can see, put a bolt right through there. Bolt right down through there. Nice and level, nice and sturdy. I gotta replace this stuff. It's like speaker wire. I can't stand that crap. All right. Quick update on Crossbreed. We got quite a bit done today. Dad got a lot of sanding done on the bedside. Pretty happy with how that's turning out. Pretty straight. Right now, I'm trying to figure out where I want to mount the ECU, PCM, ECM, whatever you want to call it. On the GMT 800s, 99 to 06 Chevy and GMC, obviously they're on the driver's side, kind of like in that fender well area, like on the side, off to the side of the motor in that little box. So I'm thinking on this one, we're going to put it maybe in the passenger side fender well. So you can see right down in here, it fits perfectly down there. I just got to come up with some sort of mount box. Like, I don't want to just leave it there. Certainly not going to leave it loose. So still racking my brain on that. But as far as the intake goes, this pipe right here, I have a cut to fit pipe that I used on my square body that you can kind of mold it and fit it, and you know, with enough couplers you can kind of make it go wherever you want. So on this one, what I'm thinking we're going to do, if we do end up mounting the ECU down here, I think we're going to take this pipe and we're going to run maybe the filter over here. You know, a lot of trucks have the filter inside, or the it breathes from the inside of the fender. So I'm thinking I might do that. I'll switch the camera around now and show you guys. So as you can see what I'm talking about here, if I can build a pipe to plummet over here and fit in here within reason, and either put a filter here, which I really hate the open filters. I'm just not a big fan of them. If there's a way that I can take a factory GM air box and stick it there, I will 100% do that. Otherwise, we've got all the room over here to put whatever we want. But crossing over top of this alternator or through here might prove to be a little difficult. I'm not sure yet. I mean, I feel like we have the hood clearance, so It's possible. We might do that. I'd be happy to hear any comments or what you've done on LS swapped square bodies. Like I said, we still got a long way to go here, so don't judge me too much. I know it's filthy and the wires are still everywhere. We haven't trimmed the wires or anything, and I haven't put the rad cover on. I'm wondering if I have to get one for like a big block or maybe the 6.2 diesel, or I'm just going to have to make something. Because we're running this radiator out of the 2005 Chevy too. Anyway, quick update. So again, Crossbreed's coming along. We're going to see some paint on her soon, I believe, so stay tuned.